This is the Volkswagen Jetta 6, and if the USB port in your car doesn't work, as you see in my car I don't have USB port, but anyway I know how to fix this. So if the USB port doesn't work, the first thing you should do is not to replace the USB port, but to check if the fuse for the sockets works right. The fuse is here, the interior fuse panel. So just take this out. You have the fuse puller here. Here is the fuse box, and you will need the fuse 30 here. The fuse 30 that sends power to sockets, and it may send power to the USB socket, the USB port in your car. And if you find that this fuse is blown, you can just replace it and then see if it blows again. If it blows again, the problem is somewhere in the wiring in that USB port. It may be blown, it may be burned. So, but if the fuse doesn't blow, it's just the fuse problem, which doesn't cost you a lot of money to fix on your own. Other than that, these USB ports that are installed in these cars, they are prone to damage, so they can actually be blown and require replacement. Fortunately, you can watch a video on YouTube and replace the port on your own.